A wall-mounted range hood is particularly a timeless, contemporary, show feature type of item that can go into your kitchen. There are multitudes of designs and styles you can have. At Schweigen we have many sizes as well. We have a 60 centimetre, 90 as I'm showing today, or 120 centimetre version for those very large cooking environments. The other major benefit of a wall-mounted range hood is their depth. They're generally over 500 millimetres deep, which covers a large section of whatever cooktops you've got, particularly some of those large Italian cookers that are out there. A wall-mounted range hood has that advantage over an undermount, which quite often are installed close to the wall and don't quite cover enough, particularly gas cooktops. At Schweigen, we have other features which make these a great advantage to buy. We have a 1600 cubic metre motor which goes on your roof, or it can go on a side wall, or in the smaller occasions it can go on an eave. We provide ducting, 6 metres of flexible ducting, 200mm for this motor. Stretch it out fully when installing it to give you the final result. Comes with a hard pipe to connect through the roof, and comes with a backdraft shutter. Use that if you don't want any excess warm air to escape when the range hood's not on, or you don't want critters to come back down. Use that as an installation. Other features Schweigen give you, you get a 3-year warranty on the product, you get a 10-year warranty on the motor, you get all the features to make your kitchen environment a fantastic place to cook.